Hello friends, welcome back to Snippet Coder, and we are back with another video. In this video, we will talk about 5 Flutter packages which will increase your productivity 10 times. So before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you. So the first package is Freeze package, and it is an essential package I am using in almost all my apps, and this package generates many convenient functions for our data model classes and allow us to create seal and the union classes. And this package also help us connecting to the REST API very easily, and it is available on Android and iOS both. So for generating any model file, we have to just write this much of code and it will automatically generate a lot of classes and function in return, and that will be very helpful for us. So let's move further and let's see what next package is. The next package is JSON Serializable. In combination with Freeze, JSON Serializable also make it more easy to convert a Dart class to and from JSON. Also, it does not require any configuration, but it allows us to exactly define how the serialization processes should work if we need to adopt that thing. And this package is very helpful for generating that Dart classes from our JSON file. And it is also available in Android and iOS both. So the next package is Flutter Flavorizr. So if you ever try to set up a multi environment like development, staging or production application in Flutter, in that case probably you know that we can get very tricky to having a multiple iOS schemas, Android flavors or icons or Firebase configuration more than we need to handle. In that case, this package come very handy here. It's allow us to specify our app structure in our pubspec.yml file and let us generate the app stubs. This come really handy and save us a lot of time while doing the development. So the next package in our list is Shimmer. Sometimes we want to get rid of our boring old circular progress indicator, then we have to use this Shimmer package to create some cool placeholding while our app is loading some data. And this package can be easily customizable according to our need, and this is one of the best package which I almost use in all my application, where we have to show some effects like when the data is loading from the server and all, then we can show this package. It will give a lot of good impression to the user who is using our applications. And the next package and the last package in this list is Flutter Launcher Icon. This is one of the recommended package. I will recommend you to use it, and this package allows us to generate all the launcher icons of our application very easily. We have to just give one single source of the image file in our application, and it will generate that icons according to that standard of the iOS or Android or any desktop application like this way, and it will make our life very easier because we don't have to depend on any other application for generating the icons or of multiple size and all. We have to just use this package and it will generate the app icons for us easily. So that's all the 5 packages I will recommend to use in your next project. So it will help you save your time and it will also increase your productivity. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to channel, like, comment, share. I will come back soon with another awesome video. Thank you for watching the video.